What is the point of this course? What do you get out of it? To me, there are three specific things you can hope to get out of this course. One, this course has a great in-depth look at how to build a Bitcoin business online. From the basics, business fundamentals, getting traffic, things that you can apply to your making your own Bitcoin business, or you can apply them to any business you're trying to do online. Things like how to get organic traffic, set up paid ads can be useful in all kinds of businesses online. You might even find this course helpful to just see, you know what, maybe I don't want to do anything with Bitcoin. It's too complicated. There's too much work to do. It might help you see where you do want to go with your time and energy, and that's useful. I'm grateful that in teaching 60 courses, I've found often the best a course can give me as a student is to show me sometimes where I don't want to go, where I don't want to put any more time and energy, to help me therefore clear out my busy schedule and figure out what I ought to be doing. So this course can give you inspiration to do more with Bitcoin or even to do less with Bitcoin. The lectures I make in the course focus on getting organic traffic. And this to me is useful for almost anything you want to do online. My lectures are in section 13, focusing on using YouTube, Google AdWords, and taking a fresh look at SEO. This strategy has worked great for me. Over 100 million people have seen my ads online, and millions of people have found what I do through organic search. And you likely are here as some product of that right now. So you know the principles and what's taught in this course works. And the question is, what are you going to do with them?